Yes, class. Yesterday we have read about binomial pairs. I hope you all understood about binomial pairs. Today we are going to talk about verb. Our topic is verb. Now read this sentence. You have to read this sentence carefully. Gina broke the vase. In this sentence, the action expressed by the verb broke. The verb is here broke. It is the second form of break. Passes over the from the subject. Sorry, and subject. Who is subject here? Gina. Gina is a noun, a girl name. So this is a subject over here. Gina. Who the object was, and what is the object here? Was. गीना ने क्या तोड़ दिया था? was तोड़ दिया था. The sentence will not make complete sense without the object. Like अगर यहाँ ये होता गीना broke, अब क्या तोड़ा हमें क्या पता, right? There is not any sense in this sentence ना. गीना broke हमें नहीं पता, sentence भी complete नहीं है. But the sentence is complete here is गीना broke the vase. Okay? तो अब हमें पता है गीना ने क्या तोड़ा था? कोई वास तोड़ दिया, इसलिए हमें पता चल गया सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हो गया. तो ऐसी वर्ब जो हमें शो करती है कि सेंटेंस कंप्लीट है या नहीं, तो उसके बारे में आज हम पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है. So here a verb which requires an object to complete its sense is called a transitive verb. As we have read it about in our previous chapter, what is transitive verb? A verb which requires an object to complete its sense. एक ऐसी verb जिसे object की जरूरत होती है. verb की different kind of two types of verbs होती है जिन्हें object की जरूरत, ऐसी verb जिन्हें object की जरूरत नहीं होती, और एक ऐसी verb जिन्हें object की जरूरत होती है. तो यहाँ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब जो है उन्हें ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत पड़ती है कंप्लीट करने के लिए, सेंसफुल सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. नाउ रीड दीज सेंटेंसेस. द कप ब्रोक. हियर कप टूट चुका है, कंप्लीट है सेंस, हमें पता है क्या टूट गया, कप. ओके. द चाइल्ड स्माइल. बच्चा हंसा. ओके. इन ईच ऑफ दीज सेंटेंसेस द एक्शन स्टॉप्स विद द सब्जेक्ट. एक्शन कहाँ स्टॉप हो रहा है? सब्जेक्ट के साथ ही हो रहा है, क्योंकि यहाँ कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है. देखो, कप इज सब्जेक्ट, ब्रोक इज वर्ब, द चाइल्ड इज सब्जेक्ट, स्माइल इज अ वर्ब. द वर्ब इज itself, in itself make complete sense. और जो ये वर्ब है ना, ये खुद ही क्या कर रही है? अपना सेंस कंप्लीट कर रही है. हमें जरूरत नहीं है ऑब्जेक्ट की, सीधा बता रही है द कप ब्रोक, कप टूट चुका है. अब हमें इसमें किसी चीज की जरूरत है नहीं. द चाइल्ड स्माइल, बच्चे हंसे, तो बच्चा हंसा, तो इसमें हमें जरूरत है नहीं. So a verb which does not require an object to complete its sense is called an intransitive verb. So the both kind of verbs are opposite to each other. One needs object and another doesn't need any object. Okay, class. So for this, I have a for making it more interesting, I have a video. See here. Have a look, everyone.
Verbs. The child plays with the toy. The fir tree is swaying. In the first sentence, the action of the verb plays gets transferred to the object toy, while in the second sentence, the action of the verb sways ends there itself. It does not get transferred to an object. The verb plays is thus a transitive verb, and the verb sways is an intransitive verb. A verb which requires an object to complete its sense is called a transitive verb. A verb which does not require an object to complete its sense is called an intransitive verb. Verbs.
So class, related to transitive and intransitive verb, here is a book exercise. Read it. Identify the verbs in these sentences and say whether they are transitive or intransitive. Now you have to find out whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. Read the sentence carefully and you have to mention transitive verb as a T and intransitive verb as I. Okay. Also circle the subject of each verb and underline the object of each transitive verb. Now when you when you get any object, you have to circle it and you have to underline on the transitive verb. Clear everyone? So अब हम करते हैं the sun rises in the east. Here you can see here the sun rises. अगर इतना भी बोलेंगे तो it will be complete sense. Okay, the sun rises, sun उगता है. Okay, if there is no in the east, अगर नहीं होता तो भी हमारा सेंस क्या हो जाता, complete हो जाता. So this is intransitive. ओके अब ये intransitive कैसे हुआ बेटा, क्योंकि हमारा कंप्लीट सेंस कहाँ हो रहा है, राइजेस पर ही हो रहा है. ओके next is she went to the market yesterday. Okay, she went to the market yesterday. Now here you can see went. She went, वो गई. अब कहाँ गई हमें पता ही नहीं है, सेंस ही कंप्लीट नहीं है. सो वी नीड एन ऑब्जेक्ट, हमें एक ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत है. तो सबसे पहले जहां हमें नीड पड़ रही है उससे हमें क्या पता चलता है कि ये सेंटेंस कौन सा है, ट्रांजिटिव सेंटेंस है. ओके क्योंकि यहाँ एक ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत है इस वर्ब के लिए. सो फर्स्ट विल अंडरलाइन द वर्ब. Here I also underline the verb. Here also underline the verb. Okay, but this verb went needs an object, and which object is here? You can see over here market. Market is a object. Okay, and here we'll mention it is it is a transitive verb. Why it is transitive? Because the verb went needs an object. Okay, so here we'll mention transitive T. Next is he is reading a book. If there is he is reading, you can see only verb. आप verb देख सकते हो. verb में देखिए आप कि क्या करना है, हमें सिर्फ verb को पहचानना है कि complete sense कर रहा है या नहीं. he is reading, वह पढ़ रहा है, तो इधर भी complete sense है ना. तो this is we do not need any object here, so we'll mention it as intransitive verb. So you all got it. What is important in this? Verb only. We need to see the verb. We need to understand the verb only, whether the verb needs object or not. Okay. I cut. Here I cut. What I cut? कोई complete sense नहीं है. यानी we need any object. Okay. हमें किसकी जरूरत है अभी? Object की है. So here the verb is I cut. Cut is not showing the complete sense. Okay. That's why we need an object. So for object we'll take apple. Okay, apple is the object here. So I cut the apple with a knife. So here we add an object. That's why this is transitive verb. Okay class. Lara bought a pair of jeans for her son. Here Lara bought. अब इसको पढ़कर आपको लगता है कि ये complete sense है. Lara bought क्या लाई हमें नहीं पता. So the verb is not complete. Okay, the sentence is not complete here. So we need an object. Here object is pair of jeans. Okay. Okay class. So we need an object. Okay, so this is transitive verb. Okay, again I'm explaining you. See carefully everyone. As you can see over here, what we need to find out verb, whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. Okay, so हम focus किस पर करेंगे, सिर्फ verb पे करेंगे. Sentence में जो verb है उसका हम ध्यान रखेंगे. So the sun rises in the east. Here verb is rises. Okay, so the sun rises. Here is complete sense. Okay, we do not need any object. जहाँ हमें object की जरूरत नहीं है वहाँ हम क्या mention करेंगे, indirect object. Okay class, intransitive verb. Okay. Second is she went to the market yesterday. She went. हम इतना अगर पढ़ते हैं शी वेंट, कहाँ गई, आई डोंट नो, वी डोंट नो अबाउट इट, सो वी नीड एन ऑब्जेक्ट. हमें यहाँ किसकी जरूरत पड़ रही है, ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत पड़ती है. एंड हियर ऑब्जेक्ट इज मार्केट. ओके क्लास, वी नीड टू सर्कल द ऑब्जेक्ट. हमने सर्कल कर दिया है. वेंट इज अ वर्ब एंड दिस वर्ब इज ट्रांजिटिव बिकॉज इट नीड्स एन ऑब्जेक्ट. क्लियर? Third is he is reading a book. He is reading. Here the sentence is complete. Okay, he is reading. वह पढ़ रहा है. So this verb shows the intransitive verb. Okay. I cut the apple with a knife. If you read it, I cut. I cut. मैंने cut किया. Okay, but क्या किया? I don't know. We don't know. Okay, so we need an object. Here the object is apple. I cut the apple with a knife. Okay, so this is transitive verb. Again, Lara bought a pair of jeans for her son. Lara bought. Here the sentence is not clear, not complete. That's why we need an object. The object here is pair of jeans. Okay, class. So we need to write here transitive verb. I hope you all understood it. If you have any question related to it, you can ask me, beta. So class, related to it, this exercise I have an activity. Let's do that activity and enjoy the activity. Okay. Instructions. First we read instructions. Instructions here is help Froggy reach his own little spot in the swamp by jumping on the green leaves. Brown rotten leaves will pop up with every incorrect answer. If you give answer which will be incorrect, so the leaf will become brown. Okay. So play it. So here is the activity related to our book exercise. Very first question is identify the types of verbs highlighted in these sentences. Now what you have to do, where the verb is highlighted or underlined, you have to find out whether the verb is transitive or intransitive, or maybe it is not a verb or neither transitive or nor intransitive. Okay, so the soldier fought bravely. Here we need not any object here, so the verb is intransitive. Next question is a tiny bird made a nest in the tree. A tiny bird made. Here we need an object. The object is nest, so we will add here transitive verb. The correct answer is transitive. You are to see the principal right now. Where are is not a main verb. Okay, it is only a helping verb. So we need here neither transitive nor intransitive. I know him well. I know whom. So here we need object. Here object is him. Oh, sorry, him. So the answer is transitive. Next is may I borrow your pen? May is not main verb. Okay class. So the answer is neither transitive nor intransitive. We must reach on time. Similarly, must is not the main verb. So it is neither transitive nor intransitive. Next is the lamp stood on the table. On neither transitive verb nor intransitive verb. Even it is not a verb. Okay. अगर हम चारों तरफ से verb को पढ़े तो on is not a verb. On is a preposition. That's why the answer is not a verb. She is leaving for Bangalore tomorrow. Tomorrow is also not a verb. So answer is not a verb. The dog ran down the street. The dog ran, भाग गया. अब इसमें हमें किसी की जरूरत नहीं है. No object we need. Okay, so here the answer is intransitive. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises. We need not any object here. So the answer is intransitive. Okay, class. I hope you enjoyed the activity. Please prepare your work. Please prepare your book exercise. Learn it, practice it, and I'll take test of it. Okay, class.